Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green methi at home. First, select a spot that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. This ensures your plants get the energy they need to thrive. Next, choose high-quality fenugreek seeds from a reputable source for optimal germination. Finally, prepare your planting container with well-draining soil, ideally a mix rich in organic matter, to provide essential nutrients for healthy growth. Once your soil is ready, it's time to plant your seeds. Sow them about 1/4 inch deep and space them roughly 2 inches apart for best results. After planting, gently water the soil to settle the seeds and initiate germination. It's crucial to maintain consistent moisture, keeping the soil damp but never waterlogged. Good air circulation also helps prevent fungal issues in young seedlings. As your methi grows, continue to water regularly, ensuring the soil remains moist but never soggy. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so always check the soil's top inch before adding more water. You can begin harvesting the tender leaves when they are about 3 to 6 inches tall. Simply snip the outer leaves, allowing the inner ones to continue growing for multiple harvests. To keep your methi thriving, protect it from extreme temperatures, especially frost or intense heat, which can stress the plants. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of common pests like aphids or diseases, addressing them promptly with organic solutions if needed. With a little care, you'll enjoy fresh, homegrown methi. Also, for more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, make sure to check out the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.